Well, good morning. Let's get to work on this trailer. I fired up the generator to see how she was going to run. Let's take a peek. Sounds pretty good. I also got the inside of this cleaned out yesterday a little bit. I got my windows out and got rid of most of the trash. I got one little bin up there that's got some trash in it, and stopped at Harbor Freight this morning after a little thing, and picked up a ramp. I mean, you can't really go wrong with the price of this ramp. Come off the back of this thing, try that out, and then picked up a few other things. So let's get with it. What do you think? That's a little steep, huh? Yeah, that's a little steep. Not really sure what to do about that. If you guys got any ideas, hit me up in the comments, please. Got storage bin. Nuts, bolts, screws, all the miscellaneous stuff that I have. A couple of straps here to go along. D-hooks that we're going to put against the wall to hold a table saw and I don't know what else. And a couple of these little guys. I think I might use them for a ladder. I'm not entirely sure yet, but you can't really go wrong. These are like $1.99. I want to say these were $2.99 maybe. And the straps are like 12 bucks. Might be able to use the bracketry from this seat or something. I don't know. Got any ideas? Hit me up. Okay, so I got needed at least one new fender, and it was really hard to find these 4-inch fenders. They're basically like fender flares, and I was able to find the correct ones. At least I think they're the correct ones at what is it, recstuff.com, I think. And so we're gonna try and put it up and see what happens. Don't hit the camera with the fender. Let's hope it's the right size. Well, it's not exactly right. That sucks. Let's try the other side. That's a bummer. It looks like the curve is slightly different. Yep, sure is. Bummer about that is it would work just fine. There's enough space for the tire, and it actually looks right. It's just that the wall of the trailer doesn't come far enough to catch it. On the front or the back. We all know that trying to rebend aluminum doesn't work. There's really no way that I don't think I could. Yeah, I mean, this is curved, this is bent. There's really no way I could rebend this out to fit this. What to do? So I was just looking at this door gasket and realizing that up here on the top of it there's no gasket and it's probably going to get some water in it. I noticed that when I was messing with this latch that doesn't line up, so I'm going to fix that. And I was following that gasket around and I noticed this gasket and I was thinking, man, why isn't that stuck on there? And then I pulled it off and I thought, well, heck, there's the gasket. This gasket's probably the one that's supposed to go up here. Yeah, sure enough, gasket's already there. Just needs a little glue or sticky tape. It's not a very good gasket, but it'll work for now. So let's do that. So does anybody else have a drawer that looks like this? All the bits. I've probably got every bit, multiples of them. Just been stashing them for years. Luckily, I have what I need right here. So let's go see if this is the right one. I need to fix this hinge right here. It's coming loose on this door. Pop through. I think just put a piece of plywood or something on that to stiffen it up. So just got the bolt out. It's not very long, so I think if I put a piece of plywood on here, it's gonna be too thick. So let's cut a piece of steel to do that. A couple holes, put that piece of steel on there, strengthen it up. Cart, ramp, trailer, pretty steep. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. No way. What do we do?